Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your desktop runs Windows 10/11 or Mac OS 10. 14 plus, and you have a Microsoft account or your work credentials. Once that's confirmed, decide whether you need a simple user install or an admin deploy for many machines. This affects where you download the installer and which permissions you'll need. Now open your browser and search for the official Microsoft Teams installer. Choose the desktop app option and prepare to run the downloaded file. You run the installer and accept any system prompts. On Windows, allow admin elevation if required, and on Mac OS, grant permissions in system settings. During installation, choose options like Start on Login and create shortcuts so Teams is ready when you boot. Once the app launches, sign in with your Microsoft or work account. Enter credentials and complete multi-factor authentication if enabled. Make sure to allow notifications and calendar access so Teams can integrate with your. You finish by configuring audio, camera, and notification settings. Run a test call to confirm devices work and adjust permissions if needed. Once done, keep Teams current. Open Help and check for updates so you have the latest fixes. If something breaks, clear the Teams cache or uninstall and reinstall the app. That resolves most install and sign-in errors. Make sure to try the Teams web app as a quick fallback while troubleshooting. It uses the same account and reduces local variables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.